Divine Textile Limited is a 100% export-oriented composite garments manufacturer and exporter from Bangladesh. Around 3,000 workers are currently working over here. Divine Textile is legally and conventionally full compliant regarding workplace, social environment as well as employees' rights and compensation. Under the supervision of Ethical Trade Initiative, the workers of Divine Textile Limited have duly elected the Participation Committee recently for the term 2017 to 18.
Sister concern of Divine Group. This is very famous and reputed company all of the Bangladesh. And Divine Textile is the vertical setup. So we always respect international level. We always respect our local and government